Hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how we can install MySQL for Mac OS. For that guys, just type MySQL download in the Google Chrome. It will navigate you to the MySQL downloads. Click on this. So you will get MySQL community GPL downloads. Click on that. So you'll get a list of it. Just click on MySQL community server. So you will have 8.3.0. It is the latest one, macOS for all. Just click on download. So just click on no thanks, just start my download. Just click on it. So it will take you to the downloading page. So now you can see the MySQL 8.3.0 is done. 555 MB is downloaded. So let us now install that. So once you double click this, you'll get something like this. Double click this one, MySQL. Now the installation will start. It will ask you the package will run a program to determine if the software can be installed. Click on allow. So now you'll get this one, install MySQL 8.3.0 community version. Just click on continue. The license version, if you want you can read the entire documentation. If not, that's fine. Just click on continue. So here you can just click on agree. So you will ask, do you want to install the software for me only, for specific disks, or for all the users of this computer? Click on continue. Okay, so it says it will take 699.8 MB of space of your computer. Just click on install. It will ask you for entering the password. Just enter the password. So now click on install software. So now it will start installing the software. It will take a minute to install. So it will ask you whether you want a strong password encryption or a legacy password encryption. I want strong password encryption. Just click on next. So this will be the password to enter for the root user. Make sure you enter the strong password, and it should be at least 8 characters with a mixture of letters, numbers and other characters. Okay, so now I have entered it. So I'll click on finish. Just clicking on finish. So again now it will ask you for the password to enter. When you have entered, click on OK. So now it has been installed. Okay, just click on close. So move the installer to bin. Now you need a GUI interface to run your SQL. Okay, just click on back here. Just go back a little bit. You can see here MySQL workbench. Click on MySQL workbench. So this is a interface where you can download ARM. So I'll click on download. So just click on no thanks. Just start my download. So just wait for a second to download. So now workbench has been downloaded. Double click it. So MySQL workbench is here. Drag this MySQL. Now you can see MySQL workbench here. Double click on MySQL workbench. Okay, so it is telling MySQL workbench is an app, download from it. Do you want to open it? Yes, click on open. So now it will open the MySQL workbench. So it is official graphical user interface for MySQL. Since this is a client, you have to add connections. So local client instance is already there. Just click on it, cancel this one. Just click on it, edit connection. You can see what connection is it, what standard protocol. So host name, port number 3306, root. So you want to test the connection, you can click on test connection. You can enter the password which you have entered while installing the MySQL community edition. So once you have installed, just click on OK. So it will say connection warning, continue anyway. So now SQL has successfully made the MySQL connection. Click on OK. Hope you have liked the video guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.